Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK. Today's topics include guilty pleas by the creators of the Mirai IoT Botnet, Apple's release of the updated iMac Pro, Microsoft starting the transition from Skype for Business to Microsoft Teams, and Google releasing details on its cloud data encryption measures. On December 5th, Paris Jha, Josiah White, and Dalton Norman pleaded guilty for their roles in the Mirai Internet of Things botnet cyber attacks, according to Department of Justice documents unsealed on December 12th. Mirai comprised 300,000 IoT devices infected with malicious code in July 2016 that enabled the botnet to launch distributed denial of service attacks. Mirai was able to conduct attacks against entire ranges of IP addresses. As such, a victim's entire network would be affected by an attack. The Mirai botnet became publicly known September 2016 when it was used to attack security blogger Brian Krebs and internet service provider OVH. Mirai was also behind a massive DDoS attack against Dyn DNS in October 2016 that caused outages across the internet. Apple released on December 14th its most powerful iMac Pro yet. The updated machine, which starts at $4,999, is available in a wide range of configurations with 8, 10, or 18-core Intel Xenon processors, up to 128 gigabytes of memory, and solid-state drive storage of up to 4 terabytes. The more powerful iMac Pro includes turbo boost speeds of up to 4.5 gigahertz and offers multi-core processing for a wide variety of tasks, including rendering files, editing 4K video, creating real-time audio effects, and compiling code. Also included in the new machine is the Radeon Pro Vega 56 video card, which Apple says is more than 3 times faster than any previous iMac GPU. The video card will provide higher frame rates for virtual reality, real-time 3D rendering, and improved special effects. The base system memory configuration starts at 32 gigabytes, but is also available with 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of memory. With the addition of new calling capabilities on December 13th, Microsoft Teams has taken the first steps in becoming the Skype for Business replacement, which Microsoft promised during its Ignite conference in September. Teams is Microsoft's chat-based collaboration tool for work groups, similar to the popular Slack app used by many software developers and cloud-native startups. In addition to chat, which users can spice up with emojis and animated GIFs, Teams also provides users with ways to share files and work collaboratively on Office content. Like Slack, Teams integrates with third-party apps like Asana, GitHub, Trello, and many more, allowing users to consult with colleagues or provide status updates while working in those apps. Now, users can also add phone calls to the mix with the full-featured dialogue capabilities. Google, December 13th, released 2 white papers describing the measures the company takes to protect data in transit from customer networks to the Google Cloud and then internally on its network. One of the white papers describes Google's application layer transport security system, which is similar to the industry standard transport layer security protocol that many organizations use to protect data in transit on the internet. ALTS uses mutual authentication and encryption to protect all data and communications between Google's internal services and data centers. The second white paper reiterated Google's measures for encrypting and authenticating in transit customer data. All customer data, for instance, is encrypted by default using HTTPS whenever a user connects to Google's cloud. By default, Google also authenticates and encrypts all data at one or more network layers whenever data moves outside a network that is directly controlled by or operated on behalf of Google. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.